Okay, everybody. So we are moving to our next topic, and the third topic which we will be learning is spelling check. So I open a Word file, and if I want to do the spelling corrections, so you see wherever it is a red color underline, it means it's a spelling mistake. This is a spelling mistake. But the one which is in blue color, there can be two scenario in that. One is he's saying, because DEER also is a one word. THERE is also word, but he's saying there is a grammatical mistake over here, which is a blue color line. And the red one, wherever it comes, it's like a spelling mistake. So the first one is, what you will press over here is F7. So I press F7. This is the F7 which you have to press. So this F7 will open a editor which will show you that is there any spelling mistake, grammatical mistake, how accurate is your document. And if you don't want to remember the shortcuts, you can go to the review, and that is the option editor. So I click on this editor. You see when I bring a cursor, it shows F7. Okay. So go to the review and click on editor. And here you will see the editor. So editor score, he has checked the entire document and he has given you a 65% for this document. It should be 100%, right? Because there are lots of spelling mistake and grammar, there is a problem. And in the correction, he's also giving you the option spelling and grammar. He's saying 4 spelling mistake and 3 grammar. So I let's say click on this spelling mistake. I clicked on that, means it was like this. Nah? I clicked on this. When I click on this, it moved ahead and he first giving you the option that not in dictionary. He's saying, Ramzan, this word is not in a dictionary. And here now he is giving you suggestion. He's saying this is the correct word. Employee, service, pay. So I say, okay, this is the right one. So I click on this arrow and over here I have an option change all. So wherever this wrong spelling exists in my document, it will change everywhere. Okay, if you wanted to read it aloud, if you have a speaker, you can read it aloud. Add to autocorrect means if any next time, if I type this wrong spelling, automatically it will be corrected to the right one. You can do even that. So I clicked on that and it got corrected. So see, this got. Again, he's saying, hey, Ramzan, this word through is not there. This is the correction. So I say, okay, so I click on it. So it will become through, THROU. Again, the third spelling, achieve, and he's giving you more option, achieve, achieved, achieves. So add to the dictionary. If you say add to the dictionary, next time, if you type the same word, it will not show this as an error. Sometimes it happens. I have my name, Ramzan. My Ramzan name is not in a dictionary and it always shows me the error. So once I open that and I say add to dictionary, Ramzan will be added to the dictionary and next time it will not show me error. So I say over here, I need achieve. Khalas, done. Now he's giving enclose. So I say, no, this is the right one, enclose. Lovely. So you see your score has been increased. Amazing. Now let's move a little bit more ahead. I put my cursor on the top and I say, hey, grammar. So I click on the grammar and he's showing me, hey, Ramzan, this DEAR, I think it should be this, expensive or beloved. So I click on this and I say, yes, that was right. Same way, THERE, this is the wrong one. And he says, this is the correct grammar. And that's why it's in blue color. I click on it. Lovely. Resume. I think he's saying me, hey, you need to put the comma over here. So I say, okay, I take your suggestion, and he put comma, and now your score has reached 92%, which is very good. Okay, let's move ahead. So all thing is saying clarity, resume, and vocabulary is good. Oh, formalities. What is that? So I click on formality and he says, hey, Ramzan, I think I think this you should put it more clear so that people are easily able to read it, even a normal person. So you should be very clear and you suggestion is I will. So I click on it and it converts that. Oh, he says again, I believe that my education and employment background. Here he's saying there is some problem. He's saying expressing opinion with certain ad formalities. I believe that my education and I believe that my education and employment background. Okay, my education and employment background. Okay, what he will change? Oh, small mistake was there in that grammar. He corrected that and he said, you have finished reviewing editor suggestion. Okay, and now, according to Word, this is foolproof with spelling mistake, with grammar, and with some formalities. Amazing. So this is very, very interesting. In old version, it was just checking the spelling. Here he gives you the suggestions, and over here you can move it. Amazing. Got it, everybody? So this was the option. Go to the review, click on editor, or you press F7 is the shortcut, or you can even press function F7 if only F7 does not work. Okay. So give it a try, friends. And when you are done, put it under the chat box. Thank you.